Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 best and most useful Android apps for students that will make every student's life easier. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before proceeding further, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know 5 best Android apps for students. 1. Evernote. Evernote is among the best useful apps for students. Whether you're in high school or pursuing a degree, Evernote makes student life easier, as it organizes all of your courses and assignments so you can quickly locate what you're searching for. The best part is its free basic plan lets you take notes in different formats, including text, sketches, photos, audio, and video. You can easily sync your notes between devices and share them with others. The next app comes after Evernote is PDF Reader Pro. 2. PDF Reader Pro. PDF Reader is an excellent tool for students. They can even view PDFs as slideshows in the classroom presentation. It includes numerous incredible features, such as commenting, online document filling, electronic signature input, and the most up-to-date OCR technology. It's ideal for students who want to combine documents online, split files, secure files, process files, and convert documents, among other things. Now, let's take a look at next Android useful app for students. 3. Google Docs. Google Docs offers seamless integration with Google Drive. The work that students do in the app is saved in real time, so they don't have to worry about saving it every few minutes. Even they can format texts with many formatting options that include font, font style, font size, text color, highlight color, indentation, and paragraph spacing among many others. Another best app that comes after Google Docs is Trello. 4. Trello. Trello is a powerful organizer app for college students. Reminders, to-do lists or writing a document are just some of the cool features of this app. You can also create boards and lists that you can share with others. Besides, you can even attach files from your Google Drive and Dropbox accounts. A straightforward and simple collaborative tool that you can use to manage individual and group projects both. The next app comes after Trello is Grammarly. 5. Grammarly. Grammar and spelling in English are a mess. Even if you've been speaking and writing in the language your entire life, it's still possible to misspell a term, not to mention make a typo. While reviewing your work thoroughly can identify most errors, it is time-consuming. Grammarly can help you catch more errors faster. It evaluates your work for common grammar, spelling, and usage mistakes. It flags errors and even explains what you should write instead when it detects them. It's not flawless, but it's light years better than any word processor's built-in spelling/grammar checker. So, this is all about 5 best and most useful Android apps for students that will make their life much easier. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.